Привет, 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 and welcome to my channel Russian Matryoshka. And today I'm continuing the Russian alphabet series. In each lesson, I will introduce a letter of the Russian alphabet and 10 most frequently used words that start with that letter. Are you ready? Let's go! And for today's lesson, we'll learn letter D, Bukva D. Russian letter D is based on the Greek letter delta. And in Old Church Slavonic, Russian letter D meant dobro, kindness. And it's a bonus word for you. Kindness, dobro. In each lesson, I give you guys a few pronunciation rules, and of course, letter D has a few rules as well. So what are they? In front of deaf consonants and at the end of words, Russian letter D sounds like a Russian letter T. For example, at the end of words, God, when I say it, you probably hear me say God. And in front of deaf consonants, as in this word katka, it's hard to say kadka, so we say katka, and you hear, instead of a D, you hear a sound T. Alright, enough with all of these rules, and let's get started with the frequently used words that start with the letter D. Поехали! The first one is very useful, для, for, для, for.
Все для тебя, рассветы и туманы для тебя, моря и океаны для тебя, цветочные поляны для тебя.
Second word, да. And I'm kind of curious why it's in the second place. Да means yes, but apparently we use для more frequently than да. Да.
Между нами провода, города, да-да-да-да. Я сказал, иди сюда, и ты сказала, да-да. Между нами.
Third word, другой. Другой is different or other. And an interesting fact about this word, in Old Russian it meant second. So if it's not the first, it's другой, somebody else, second.
Один дурак, другой помешан, а ты обоим им подстать.
Word number 4, дело, which means business. Дело.
Пока ты сидишь на месте, другой взялся за дело. Не упускай свой шанс. Время летит.
Word number 5, два. Два. I'm giving you a clue. Два means two. Два.
Я никогда не забуду, что ты помог мне перейти через эту дорогу. За это, Вова, я исполню 2 твоих желания. Я добрая волшебница.
А почему только 2? В сказках обычно 3.
2.
Word number 6. Word number 6, до. Until or before. Until or before. До.
Новых встреч!
Word number 7, дом. Dom means house. And there is some influence from Greek and Latin. In Greek it's domos, in Latin it's domus. It's a very old word. Dom, house.
Я куплю тебе дом у пруда в Подмосковье и тебя приведу в этот собственный дом.
Word number 8. So word number 8, день. День means day. День. And it's kind of similar to English day. День.
День Победы, День Победы, День Победы. Это День Победы.
Word number 9, даже means even. Даже. And it's interesting, it's a combination of two words, да plus же. And we just learned да earlier. And же we'll learn when we get to же. Даже, even.
Ну что, все будете в порядке, даже лучше.
And the last word for this lesson is думать. Думать means to think. It's from this word dom or doms, I don't know. We basically took it from the Goth. Again, I love to insert little historical facts into my lessons, and please let me know if it's helpful for you. It's very helpful to me when I'm learning a new language to understand where different words are coming from. That's why I'm throwing all this like little historical tidbits at you. And I think it's very interesting. We took this word, думать comes from an ancient Goth word, and they flourished in Europe from ancient to Middle Ages. And an interesting fact, they got famous for second Rome in 410 AD. It's so fascinating how all these different languages are interconnected. And once you start learning Russian, you will recognize different words that you might already know. You will see some influence from English.
Я буду думать о ней.
Okay, so that's it for today's lessons. Let's repeat one more time all the words that we learned today. Word number 1, для. Word number 2, да. Word number 3, другой. Word number 4, дело. Word number 5, два. Word number 6, до. Word number 7, дом. Word number 8, день. Word number 9, даже. And the last word is думать. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave me some feedback. And I will see you in my next video.